By far the best method our partners use to generate leads quickly and easily is by making the most out of the human risk report. This simple yet very detailed report, it only has 4 steps, but it's all done and complete before you start any trials or crucially talk to any customers. Hopefully this video will help to highlight what specifically happens on the report every step of the way. So on to step 1, the domain scan. In a matter of minutes if not seconds, the console will go off on its own and hunt for any public information that it can find. It tries to search things like lookalike domains, connected applications and also connected services. Step 2 is the breach scan. Once you add your users, the console will now search through the dark web and highlight any individual results it can find and categorize them into 3 detailed stages. Step 3 is sending a spear phishing attack, my best bit. Using a template that carries a 15 to 35% breach rate, usecure will send out an email at your desired time to see exactly how safe the customer really is. And step 4, which is to complete the report and actually approach your client this time. usecure will finish the report by taking all 3 bits of information I've just mentioned, but also calculate a risk score out of 900 along with an estimated time to breach. Once all 4 steps are done, you can now show this to your client and you're ready. And you can easily help them to understand their risk score both on a company level, but also an individual one too. As all this happens before you speak to a client, the selling possibilities are endless. You can add as many companies as you wish to go down this journey, and to give you an idea, our most successful partners are adding customers to the risk report in batches of 10s and 20s. But when you're just starting and learning the ropes, honestly just slow down. We advise that it's probably best to do it in companies of 5s and 10s, just until you get the hang of it. Now it's time to start your journey to success. That's all from me. Check out our other videos and tips to learn more. Thank you.